Like vehicles need fuel to move, similarly in blockchain, a transaction needs gas to process. Gas is mandatory fee you must pay to process any transaction on a blockchain, regardless of its outcome. Gas fees are paid even if the transaction fails. But why? Because the network cannot know in advance whether your transaction will succeed or fail. So, validators, which is a group of computers responsible for verifying and authorizing new transactions before they are added to the public blockchain, pick up your transaction, execute every instruction on it, check balance, conditions, and smart contract logics. All of this cost computation, storage access, and network resources. Basically, gas is equals to payment of computers. Gas fees pays validators for CPU usage, memory, reading, writing blockchain state, keeping the network secure. So why does gas exist on a blockchain? So that people running the blockchain, meaning the computers or the validators, can be paid for processing correctly and adding transaction to the system. But gas fee changes. Now you might be thinking why? Gas is not fixed. It depends on how busy the network is or how fast do you want your transactions to be done. Busy network is equals to higher gas price. Less traffic is equals to cheaper gas. So next time when you are on chain, remember there are thousands of validators at the back end processing your transaction, and gas is what they get for rewards.